Health IQ family, welcome back. Did you know that P. Diddy and the legendary DrSebi have both spoken about a magical oil that can help repair hair loss and even reverse gray hair? Yep, it's called Batana Oil. And in today's video, we're diving into how this incredible product, and 2 other natural remedies, can transform your hair. Stick with us as we break down the science behind hair loss and share proven tips to bring back your hair's shine, strength, and youthfulness. Hair loss and gray hair may be part of the natural aging process, but it can be abnormal when it starts at an early stage. Let's first understand the common causes of hair loss and premature graying before we get to the good stuff. Hair loss, alopecia, premature hair graying. What causes it? Hair loss, or alopecia, happens when the body's natural hair growth cycle is disrupted. This can happen for many reasons. Gray hair, on the other hand, is a bit different, is a natural part of aging, but when it happens too soon, it might cause concern. The premature graying process can be influenced by chemical-laden foods, deficiencies in nutrients like biotin and vitamin D, and even chronic dehydration. So, what are the common causes of hair loss and premature gray hair? Number 1 is aging. As we get older, our hair naturally becomes thinner and can start falling out. Most people start noticing hair loss in their 30s, and it becomes more significant by the time they're in their 60s. While this is normal, early signs can be managed. Number 2 is heredity. Play a role too. If your parents experienced hair loss, it's possible you might face the same, but don't worry, we've got solutions. 3. Hormonal changes. Hormones fluctuate during events like pregnancy, menopause, and even thyroid issues can cause hair loss. 4. Medications. Believe it or not, medications for conditions like cancer, heart problems, and high blood pressure can lead to hair thinning. 5. Stress. We've all heard it. Stress makes your hair fall out. It's called telogen effluvium, and it can cause you to shed hair in clumps. 6. Nutrition. Finally, your diet plays a major role. If you're missing essential vitamins like biotin or vitamin D, your hair can suffer. Now that we understand what causes hair loss and graying, it's time to reveal the 3 proven natural remedies that will repair hair loss and reverse gray hair, starting with our hero, Batana Oil. Remedy 1. Batana Oil. The hair strengthener Batana oil comes from the nuts of the American palm tree, native to Central and South America. It's rich in essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and other nutrients that have made it a favorite among beauty experts, and it's even earned praise from Sebi and P. Diddy.
Oil fixes hair loss, it reverses gray hair, and it stops balding. Sebi used Batana oil on his patients.
Batana oil is denser than coconut oil, making it perfect for treating dryness, frizz, and breakage. It penetrates deep into the scalp, hydrating your hair from root to tip, and over time, it strengthens and restores your hair's shine and health.
This hair food is made from a plant from the forest of Honduras. You may have heard of the Mosquito Coast. In the Mosquito Coast lives a tribe of people known as the Waika people. I would go visit them once in a while because they do have all kind of things, knowledge with herbs. They have a lot. In fact, no one dies there by a snake bite. Not even dogs. The most poisonous snake, no way. There's this herb. It's a flower from a plant that grows like a palm. They call it Batana. La flor de Batana, the flower of Batana. This will make your hair grow, and it will give it luster. It is just the best, magnificent. It is good.
Next remedy is Triphala, a detox for your hair. Triphala, an ancient Ayurvedic remedy made from 3 superfruits: Amla, Bibitaki, and Haritaki. It's known for its detoxifying and rejuvenating properties, but did you know it also supports hair health? Triphala can help prevent premature graying by balancing your body's internal systems. To use it, mix 1 teaspoon of Triphala powder with 2 teaspoons of honey and take it on an empty stomach. It's great for digestion too, so it's a win-win. Remedy 3. Amla, Indian gooseberry. For hair color and strength finally, we have Amla or Indian gooseberry. This small fruit is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, making it a go-to remedy for all hair-related issues. It nourishes your scalp, strengthens your hair follicles, and even boosts melanin production, the pigment responsible for your hair's natural color. 1. How to use it. Apply Amla oil directly to your scalp, leave it for about 30 minutes, then rinse it off with a mild shampoo. 1. Alternatively, you can eat Amla or drink its juice for an internal boost that helps more than just your hair. So that is all. Now there are some bonus tips for healthy hair we will talk about. If you really want to maintain healthy, strong hair, there are some lifestyle tips to keep in mind. Eat vitamin C rich fruits. Every day, have at least 1 fruit like oranges, strawberries, or guava. Vitamin C helps produce collagen, which keeps your hair elastic and strong. 2. Manage stress. Stress can be a killer for your health and your hair. Incorporate stress-reducing activities like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga into your routine. 3. Use gentle hair products. Stick to natural, chemical-free shampoos and conditioners to avoid damaging your hair. Protect from harsh environments. Sunlight, wind, and pollution can harm your hair. Wear hats or use an umbrella when out and about. Remember, aging is a beautiful process. Gray hair can be a sign of wisdom. But if you're dealing with premature gray hair or hair loss, these remedies can help bring your hair back to life. To purchase Batana Oil and the other products mentioned in this video, check the description for the link. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to this channel for more tips on natural hair care, nutrition, and overall wellness. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.